At some point after you leave home, you are going to need a doctor. Not because something dramatic happened, but because you wake up and think, this doesn't feel right. And suddenly, you realize that you're the one who has to make this call. Making a doctor's appointment is simple. It just feels unfamiliar the first time you do it yourself. Because for most of your life, someone else handled that. They knew which office to call, what insurance you had, what to say, what questions to ask. Now it's you, and no one hands you a script. So here's the next best thing. Step 1. Know why you're calling. Are you sick? Do you need a prescription refill? Or is it simply time for a routine checkup? You don't need medical vocabulary. You don't need to diagnose yourself. You just need one sentence. I'd like to schedule an appointment because that's it. Step 2, have your basics ready. You'll likely be asked for your full name, date of birth, phone number, your email address, your current insurance information. If you're still on your parents' insurance, that's completely normal. You can still make appointments for yourself. You just need the information from the card. And no, they are not going to quiz you about deductibles or coverage details during that first call. That comes later, if at all. Right now, they're just putting you on the schedule. Step 3, look at your calendar ahead of time. When you're managing your own time, there's no one double-checking it for you. So glance at your schedule before you call. Nothing feels worse than confidently saying, Thursday at 2 works, and realizing later, it absolutely does not. So what will the call actually sound like? Here's the part that makes people nervous. You imagine it being complicated. It isn't. After you explain why you're calling, they'll probably say something like, we have availability Tuesday at 9:15 a.m. or Thursday at 2:40 p.m. They may also ask, are you a new patient? Have you been here before? Do you have insurance? Which doctor do you want to see? These are not trick questions. They are just sorting you into the right category. If you don't understand something, you can say, can you explain that? If you don't know the answer to something, just say so. If this kind of no one walked me through this breakdown is helpful, be sure to subscribe. After you hang up, you might receive a confirmation email, a text reminder, or a link to sign up for a digital patient portal. You will also likely receive online forms to fill out, followed by instructions to arrive 10 to 15 minutes early. This is normal. It may seem daunting, but it's just basic paperwork. Here's something important. The person answering the phone is not judging you. They speak to nervous people all day. You can literally say, I've never scheduled my own appointment before. That's fine. You're not exposing yourself as incapable. You're exposing yourself as new to this. There's a difference. When the appointment day comes, bring these items: your photo ID, your insurance card, a list of medications if you take any, along with any questions you want to ask. If you forget something, it's not catastrophic, but being prepared feels good. Now let's talk about something that changes without much warning. The day you turn 18, medical privacy changes. Doctors can't automatically share your information with your parents anymore. It means you are now the primary point of contact. If you want a parent involved, you can authorize that. If you don't have to. Ownership often shifts without ceremony. This is one of those moments. Making the call might feel awkward the first time. However, once you hang up, you'll realize that nothing exploded. You just handled it. The second time won't feel like a big deal. The third time, you won't even think about it. That's what leaving home actually looks like. Not one big dramatic moment, just small ownership decisions stacking up. If you're preparing to leave home or already figuring it out in real time, subscribe. There are a lot of responsibilities ahead. We're going to make them less mysterious.